morning. It is incredibly windy this morning. It is Saturday morning and I'm riding into town because I have work. Well, it's not really into town, it's just outside of town. But I'm riding in there this morning and it's so windy. It's ridiculous. I'm glad I didn't go bunch riding this morning. Else I'd probably be almost dead by now. But either way, today on the cards is I got work from 8:30 till 3, and then I'm going to the Airshow, which is on the Strand. But I'm not actually going to the Strand, I'm going to a hill near the Strand to go watch. So yeah, there's a bit of stuff on today, and I'm just riding everywhere basically today. So I'm going into work now, and next shot you'll see is me going into the Airshow. So I'll see you there. So I've just gotten off work. It's incredibly windy. I got off work early at about 12 instead of 3 because it wasn't very busy. So I'm heading in to town, further into town now. I've got to go on top of this big hill. I'm going to go watch the ocean from there. I don't actually know what's happening at the moment. I'm just going to go over there and look. Also, I'm pretty sure I bought women's gloves. I thought, hell yeah, they look awesome. They look like they're super airy. I'll buy those. Jokes, they're probably women's. They were in the women's section. It should be starting any minute now. They said at 11 past 3. There's one way to make an entrance. There's a much better view up here. This is spectacular. It's awesome up here. The outro up here today. So that's all for today. I am the Cyclist Vlogger and I'll see you later. I'm going to show you guys the kittens just in here. Hello. Hello there. They've been asleep all day. Hello. This one is Sheldon. This one is Raj. Hello, Raj. And that one is Leonard. Hello, Leonard. They are 5 or 6 weeks old. We're caring for them because we're foster cares for the RSPCA. Are you very tired, Leonard? I'm tired. I should let them go back to sleep. They sleep a lot of the time.